2013 Chevy Equinox Ecotech 4-cylinder. So I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with my car. Of course, I have lights on the dash, right? This is the sound that it makes. So far, I changed the spark plugs. I changed my VVT. I changed my camshaft position. I changed my rocker arms. I changed my oil filter, which is right there. Also, I didn't change my oil. I don't know what else to do. If anybody have any tips or ideas of what it can possibly be. Unfortunately, I don't have a second person to try to start the car while I'm outside the car. Also, I broke this piece, which I know a lot of people breaks. If anybody have any ideas, please let me know.